Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain project 1 and project 2. So here is the code for project 1, in which we already got the data.js file with the values in file name, qualities, title and prices. And here is our function.js file, in which we have created the function calculate total, which will return the quality multiply prices. And then after we created a function output card row, which has a file title, quality, price and total. And with the use of document write, we have fetched the file title, quality quantity, and price and total. And with especially for price and total, we have fixed the use the two fixed value for to take the two decimals. And in the .html, here's the .html file, and we have hide the some content here. And in the JS file, we use the we take the subtotal with any initialization of 0. And in the for loop, we have called the function output card row, and which has a file name, titles, quantities, prices, calculate total, which has a two variable quantities, prices. And in the subtotal, like, it will include the calculate total with the quantities, prices, and which will add into the subtotals. So then after, like, for taxes, it will multiply by 10%. And then for shipping, if the subtotal is less than 1000, so it will charge $40. And if it's greater than 1000, it will charge $0 for shippings. And then after, for grand total, we have added subtotal plus tax and shippings. And after everything, we use the onload function. So it will run the HTML and CSS first, then after run the CSS script. So here is the output for the project 1. So we have subtotal 515, so that's why it's charging $40. But if I change the value of that, for instance 800, then it will charge $0. So that's it for project 1. And now I'm going to explain project 2. So here is the code for project 2, and we have like added all arrays in the data files. We took the var countries, and then in function files, we have created the one main function output country box, in which we took the name, container, cities and photos, in which we have created two inner function, output cities and output photos, to call the cities and photos. And in main function, to call main function, we have created the for loop, which will include the countries with their indexes. So it will represent the four countries name. And in the inner function, in the output cities and photos, first we took the values from the document write, and we write the div class inner box s3 for cities, so it will represent the cities. And same for loop for the to catch the values of cities from array. So document write and cities I. So same for the output photos, and it will catch the value of photos from array. So after two inner function, we have called the button visit button here, and we ended the div class here. And for the the header, I have added the document right at the very beginning. So here is the output for the project 2. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.